Ready? Let's see who's got it.
What's going on, guys? We are very excited today to bring you another video. But before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to Boohoo Man Clothing. They're endorsing this video. We've all got the clothes on. They have a new collection in conjunction with Boo Johnson that's really exciting. So we're gonna have our normal video, we're gonna have a bunch of fun and test out these new clothes. So let's get to it. So today we have a special guest, Hayden McKenna.
What's happening?
Come say what's up. Legendary skater, always shredding Venice Park.
Hell yeah, thank you.
He's a little bit injured right now, so he's gonna help us out with this challenge that we have today, and he can be our referee. We have an exciting challenge today, so what we're gonna do is we have all these crazy boards, and we've been showing Hayden some of our crazy boards, and he's really into it, you know, he's like, damn, like, you guys skate these? Like, what? So what we're gonna do is he's gonna choose 5 boards off the wall there, then all of us are gonna try to do a tray flip on every single crazy board. It's gonna be a challenge. First person to do it is gonna get $100. We're just gonna tray flip every single board, and whoever gets it first is gonna get the money. And Hayden's gonna ref.
Should we start picking?
Let's pick.
Let's go.
All right, now before we choose these crazy boards, the Boohoo Man collection link is in the description below.
All right, batter up. So this one, we're gonna start it off.
Take a look.
Should we take a look?
Take a look.
All right, let's glance the wall. Let's
See
glance
what
the wall.
we've got on offer.
I definitely think someone can make something happen on this. This probably would snap. This might be a little too easy. Dope. I like it, but let's keep looking. All right. I really like this one, yo.
Oh my god.
It's like a ripstick, bro. Who got this? One of you guys got this one?
I mean,
Should we take it off the wall and find
so.
out?
You like this one, huh?
I like this one.
I wonder how it's
Let's
gonna go
start
in
with
the
this one.
I got a drill on the mini ramp.
On the drill, I'm gonna grab the drill. Let's do this. Yes, sir. Ready?
Oh yeah.
Coming off the wall, baby. Is it just screwed by these bolts?
Yep.
Not loose. Woo! Let's see who's got it. Yes, sir.
That's a ripstick without the
See,
moving.
with no cheating yet, you know, we gotta wait for the
Yeah.
competition, but
There's no swivel on
You
it.
think it's possible, boys?
With,
yeah,
with
maybe.
speed?
If we can land like this, maybe.
Because you gotta flick it, and I didn't realize that the wheel's coming through the top. Oh, you have to put all scoop in. So since this one's a little difficult, we're gonna pick a second option just in case. But this one, we're gonna add a twist to it. You're gonna have to be barefoot. I got just the board for you. Let's get it.
I like that.
Barefoot on the carpet? Reminds me of my mom's van from back in the day. Shag.
So you said barefoot?
Barefoot tray flip?
I'm feeling it.
That's not
This
barefoot,
feels
though.
crazy, dude. This already feels tray flip like this.
It's gonna be sick.
I mean, it feels comfortable, but I don't know.
Well, it's either that or that.
All right, we're gonna give them both a try.
Nice. Let's pick 6, and then
six?
you have to do 5,
Yeah.
but we'll have 1 spare, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's get back to picking. All right, this one you can have your shoes on. I think, you know, it's gonna take some strong leg power on this one. It's heavy, but I believe someone can do it. We gotta set this one up though. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3.
I'll set it up.
Perfect. We're halfway there. Boom. I really love this one too, and it's not just because it's right next to the other one, but I do like this one. So this one for sure.
Shout out plumbers.
Shout out to plumbers, no plumber crack, but shout out to plumbers. You feel me? All right, so next. Oh, this is a mandatory, you guys. Look at this thing. Let's get there.
You don't want to sag.
Yeah, you don't want that thing going in the wrong place, don't you?
Natural concave.
Oh, I know. It's extra oververt for super scoop. Don't even trip. We got this. Super scooper right there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so we need 2 more. 1 more?
Yeah, one more.
I kind of went a little fast here. So let's see if it's anything.
He heard me. He's like, all right, this is the one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
This one's gonna get hard to get to.
right.
I used to be a carpenter, so I know how to use a drill pretty good.
Hard right out.
Monster truck tray flip, where you at? Let's get it. All right, so we got a good selection of some hard, impossible boards to tray flip. Let's figure this one out.
Look, it's a rhino.
Oh yeah, you see it?
Yeah.
The nose right there, the nose got chipped. Someone was trying something on it.
This
I
is
doubt it
cool.
was a tray flip. We're gonna get to that today.
That's cool. Let's get him set up. Let's get him lined up. He's the referee. Let's see who's gonna do it.
Not me. I'm telling you that right now. I like this. I might just have to take this home with
That
me.
one is amazing.
I used to do plumbing in school, so I'm connected to this one. It's like C-3PO vibes.
Boom. And then you took the rock one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you setting that one up.
Boom. We got some challenging stuff ahead of us.
Yeah.
Oh, well, you guys do. I don't mind.
I'm mostly worried about these two.
I'm definitely worried about this.
You said you were.
Nah, this is not a worry. That's
Oh, Mowgli.
Mowgli said that. I knew someone said
this
that.
one will be enjoyable.
This one's
You
enjoyable.
just don't want to take your socks off.
Yeah, he don't want to show them feet. I don't blame him. My feet are ugly too. So we got one more board.
Yeah, wait, we gotta
And
set
then
this
it's game
up.
time.
All right.
Is there a whistle so I could be like?
Well, you're not gonna. I just want to make things interesting.
You did not do that on purpose.
Hey, don't cut this clip out.
This is why Mowgli don't work at skate shops right here.
Let's leave it. Let's leave it.
Can I
at that.
try it real quick? I want to see what happens.
Just try to ride. Try to ride.
Bro's trying to
part of the challenge.
We got some pretty hard stuff here. What do you guys feel about it?
I
Feel good? You feeling pretty confident about it? Yeah, what's the hardest one for everyone? That one?
Honestly,
This board's kind of heavy, dude.
That's what I was about to say.
And
I think
that's going to be sticky.
I think the rocks will be pretty hot too.
Now, I don't think these rocks are going to come off. They're pretty stuck on there.
These ones, no problem. That one.
Oh, you said these are light? So that should be first try for you.
Oh, I don't know
These
about
two.
first try. These three will be fine. That and that. And this one, well, I don't know.
This where you could get your Boohoo Man clothing on boohooman.com and check this out.
Breaking it down.
Tell me when you're ready.
All right, we're gonna stop.
Yeah.
5-minute timer on the clock.
And just stationary, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I like this board. This is my favorite board.
Okay, good. On to the next. One down, 4 to go.
Woo, I'm up high. So weird from that to this.
It's biased towards people who are regular.
Dang. Should we give it a go on the other side? Alright. This is hard too.
You guys don't think moving's easier?
Nah, it's hard to land. Man, did you do the monster truck? Oh, what? I thought so. Yeah, you like mine. I told him when I
Oh, that's a make for that thing. What do you guys think? 2 hands? All right, 1 hand?
Oh, he's the ref for this.
I think it's a make.
Heavy duty. Oh! No, that's not
That one don't count though. We can get a solid make.
Yeah.
Oh my God, so close. Last minute.
That's a bit of style on it.
So what we get 3 out of 5 for
Yeah.
the first contestant. It was a lot harder than we thought. How do you feel about your strategy? You came up with a strategy?
Honestly, I already got a lot of issues with this board. It's made of rocks. But then I let Mowgli set it up, which is a bigger issue.
I'm back.
Come on.
Sabotage you. He knew you were gonna win the Rochambeau. What are those? What are those? Max, let's get it.
You
Oh,
ready?
what's happening? Why am I turning?
Trucks are backwards on that one.
Oh my lord.
5-minute timer on the clock, please.
What's happening? It's like when you pop,
Get
it
a
goes
board.
the opposite way.
A couple hours from now.
Ah! Oh my god. Now this board feels weird because the trucks are regular. Oh my god. I'm gonna try this one just because. I had an idea for this one. Probably won't work, but there's like grip on this side. Oh my god.
Oh, way! 2 minutes left too. You got time.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna chop my toes off. I'm scared.
Valid.
That's scary.
I think that there could be worse. I just realized, like hanging my toes off, I could snap it onto my toes.
Right there.
I got different socks on, don't judge me. I couldn't find matching socks.
Toe drag counts.
Oh my God.
Toe drag fully counts.
What? I was gonna put my...
5 minutes is a long time.
Timer puts too much pressure. 5 minutes on the timer when you're ready.
God, that felt great. That felt great. It's slick out here.
Or pop. You got 3 minutes left, you can always come back to it.
Your creation.
I know. Dude, why this one? This one crazy. They got trailer down a 3-stair. I'll just give this one for fun. Should have done that one. I should have done that one.
You gave that one a couple more tries, you would have had that one. Who's
next?
I'm gonna try it. If I hurt my ankle during the flip, I'm just
Are
gonna
you
stop.
hurt too?
Yeah, I tore a
Yeah.
ligament in my flicking ankle.
Oh, yeah, be careful.
Like
I'll do
a month
it
and a half ago. So. But I'm gonna try them because with this trick you don't really need to use your front foot so much. So more on the back foot. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this one.
5 minute timer, please.
I'm gonna move on. This one seems ridiculous.
That was almost it.
Kinda hurt.
And he had a two-hander, that counts. That board's impossible to tray flip. One hand on that thing, that's valid.
It was definitely two hands.
Fragment of board. Fragment of board off.
Alright, it can't be done.
You want another one? I think you can do a better one.
Alright, try one more on this one. Alright, what do we got next? My insole's all crunched up.
Yo, that wasn't a tray flip, that was even crazier. Primo like that?
That was awesome.
That wasn't a tray flip, that was beaster than a tray flip. You landed primo on a rock board and it landed it. With backwards trucks. With backwards trucks, dude. Yo, let's get it. You got a mental strategy right here?
No,
You've
I
seen
got a strategy.
You're last, so you got to see everybody fumble on the first one. So you actually got a chance to make a better play because you seen where people were struggling.
Yeah, not
You got
cheating.
this.
Strategy. I like my odds right now.
All right, let's get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with this one.
Ready? 5-minute timer, please.
I'm going for them all. Oh!
You gotta roll away a little bit.
Alright, enough.
3 full minutes left. You got enough time to do all 6 of them. You got 3 minutes.
Right here, I'm digging deep. Right here, enough playing. These might be impossible. I need this one for me. I need some water. Shout out Mowgli for putting the trucks backwards. That's for all the furries. Heck no. What's the reader?
All right, so we had an insane challenge. You had to complete 5 impossible tray flips on these boards that are ridiculous. It's only fair, he did 3 of them. That was the most that was completed. It's only fair that he's the winner. Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Ricky Ice Glacier right here, the winner. Declared the winner, let's get it.
Let's go. That was pretty fun. These boards are really crazy, right? I mean, it does not help. If you're ever trying to tray flip, trick tip right here. Don't put your trucks on backwards. Shout out to Mowgli. You know, I mean, he's gonna do it right here. He doesn't even have trucks now. This shot. Oh, I kind of want to see a tray flip get done on this board. So I reckon let's finish out this video. Let's get a tray flip on the board that is very difficult.
I almost didn't even tray flip that way because I was like, I'm doing it that way. So the fact that I did it that way, that one I was like, I'll just try going this way. Dude, that's crazy. I got it though.
So that was a pretty crazy challenge doing the tray flips on the 5 boards. It's very intense. 5 minutes is quite a long time when you're just trying to tray flip non-stop, but I'm glad that we did get the proper tray flips on each one at the end, and Mowgli did the craziest board ever. Like, I actually low-key cannot believe that he did that. That's unbelievable. Big thanks to Boohoo Man for sponsoring this video. The Boo Johnson collection can be found in the link in the description below. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And Aaron, he told me to tell you, yes, you should learn how to skateboard, and we have everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.